Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to schedule a group meeting using Doodle.com. So you'll start off by going to Doodle, and then you'll click on Group Poll, and you'll press Create Poll. It'll load and do whatever it has to do. So then after that, you'll click on Enter Title. So you'll click on Enter Title. So I'm just going to say Group Meeting. And then for the location, you can put, we're going to do Zoom. So then you'll add your note, which is optional, so I'm just not going to put that. So then you can either choose, you're going to have to pick the day. So I'm going to put the day for the Friday. So you pick Friday, and then you're gonna press continue. So then finish, and you'll just send it to whoever you want to. So I'm just gonna put my email in just for an example, and whatever message, please be on the Zoom call. It is very important. And then you'll just copy the link if you have to, and then you're just going to email it, and that's all.